welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wade and I'm the host, and this is the channel. I just go around recording events that I go to and upload it. That's what this channel is about. Before we go any further, I'd like to wish everyone a happy holidays and blessed festive. Hope you had a good one. Now with that all out the way, let's get back to it. Today we are back here at Killarney for a motor event. There's 4 things happening today: sound off, drags, drifting and spinning. I try my best to capture everything and put it together nicely for the people who can't make it. That's who I do it for. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate the support. It has been making the channel grow quite nicely. I'm eager to see where we go next with the channel. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it. Alright, it seems like we made it to the drags. I was by the spinning, took some footage there. I'll go back there later and hopefully catch some other stuff. So let's check what we can get up to over here. wasn't that easy for the video. It was a good showing here at Killarney. The weather was crazy, crowded, so difficult to get footage. I hope I get some decent things at least. But if you like the video, don't forget to comment, like or share. It helps the channel. Appreciate all the support so far. Channel's growing nicely, and yeah, thank you guys. I'll catch you guys again. Cheers.